How's it going, guys? TJ here with Truck Brigade, and we're doing quite a unique video. Today we were actually trail riding and we ended up getting stuck, as you may be able to see here. So while we're waiting on one of our buddies to arrive, we figured we'd knock out a quick product review. So featured on this rack right now is the Leitner Designs HydroPOD Shower Kit. This is an all-new product released by Leitner Designs that is compatible with both their ACS Classic and ACS Forged kit. Now included with this is going to be your 4.8 gallon container, your 20-foot hose, and your shower nozzle as well. Also included is going to be a hose adapter that allows you to fill the tank with the hose. However, alternatively, if you're off on the trails or out and about and have no access to a hose, you're actually going to be able to turn your hand pump to the left, withdraw it, and you can fill the tank from the top. Now when it's time for use, if it needs to be repressurized, simply release it, give it a few pumps, and you'll see here once you release the nozzle, you're in action. So do a little bit of cleanup here. But overall, guys, an awesome product. Very easy to install. Simply 2 brackets. Once again, designed specifically for use with this rack, so you can have it installed within about 2 to 3 minutes and be ready to go. So this is an awesome product for those of you that are camping outdoors, whether it's for shower kit, whether it's for cleaning off the dishes, a long day at the beach, or dirt bike riding. Has a lot of different uses. So for this product and many more, please visit our website at www.truckbrigade.com. Take care, guys.